Hi everyone, good to see you guys. Welcome back to our channel. Anyway, we are planning to fly back to Guwahati. It's been 6 months here. So before we travel, actually I had to do some research as to what are the requirements. So I just want to share with you guys as to what we have to do in order to travel. First of all, as per the new set of rules, you need to have the Arogya Setu app installed on your phone and you have to do the self-check. And secondly, now it is mandatory that you need to do the web check-in in advance, and the web check-in will close 1 hour before the flight. So you need to do the web check-in and you need to print the boarding passes and you need to carry it along. Also another change that is there is only one check-in baggage is allowed per passenger and the weight capacity is 20 kgs per bag. The baggage tags you have to print out well in advance and paste it on your bag. That is the check-in bag. In case you don't have a printer at house, then you write it on a piece of paper and you stick it on your luggage as instructed by the airlines. Also, I think it's mandatory to wear face mask, gloves and face shield. So we had to buy face shield. Obviously it's one size, it's a standard size. So for Sel and me it's all okay. But because Lian is so small and there is no infant face shield available, we had to do some modifications to his thing. Ordering on Amazon option is there, but it's too late. Plus Amazon delivery has been very erratic last few days because of all the lockdowns and all that. So we don't have any other option but to do a modification on the normal standard size face shield, that is make it smaller. I cut it like that and obviously we tied up with a rubber band like this so that it fits him. We have already tested on it. So far it's good. We'll find out when we travel whether he'll be okay with it or not. Obviously, how can we forget the sanitizers which we have to carry? Because obviously whenever you travel it's a risk that you have to bear, it's a risk, especially traveling with a little kid. So we have surgical gloves which we have to wear, and I hope Lian is comfortable wearing these gloves actually. I'm not sure, we'll find out when we travel. And these sanitizer sprays which is very critical for us, because I think we are planning that as soon as we reach inside the flight, before we sit, one of us have to spray it all over the seat, all over the table or the area which we are going to touch, or Lian is going to touch basically, and sanitize the whole area. And the luggages, actually we have already packed our luggages and our hand baggages will be done at the last moment. So that is it guys, that's the preparation that we have done. So that's it. I hope we have a safe journey and we get home as soon as possible without any problems. So see you there guys. So on our way to the airport, so far so good.
It's very hot.
Yeah, it's very hot, extremely hot.
Still be wearing sweater and
Full sleeves and
we
looking
are
soaking in sweat. We just want to get to the airport, catch the flight, reach home and just relax. So we'll keep you updated guys. See you later. All these people are coming from other cities.
Huh?
All the guys at the back, they're coming from other cities.
Hi. It's not easy to travel with a mask. That's so complicated.
We are the only one with the problem.
Huh?
Luckily we got the problem. Unique feature. I've never seen an airport so empty.
D. Spicy. I saw it there. Spice jet is D.
D1.
I told you. Hey, are you okay, baby? Huh? Leon? Are you okay? Hey, say hi to the vlog. It's so quiet. After how many months, we saw a lot of people. Put your leg here. Yes. He's well behaved.
So we passed through security check and now we are waiting for boarding announcement. Totally different experience, right? Totally different experience. Most of the shops are closed. People are roaming around in masks. The security personnel are not touching your bag, not touching the boarding pass. All of them like fully protective equipment, which is great. And we did not click any video there because they said no videography allowed.
Yeah.
So can't help it. Anyway, now we are at the boarding gate.
Once already, that's good.
Yeah, everything has been smooth. Lian is so far cooperating and behaving. So let's see what happens next. So next stop will be in the flight. I hope the flight is empty. Right? I hope there's nobody in front or behind us. Let's see. So take care, guys. So guys, we are on the flight. Maybe you cannot hear me properly, but still. Now Lian has his own seat. He does not have to sit on our lap anymore. So hope we have a safe flight. The flight attendants are wearing full body suits.
Please do not leave or change your seat unless
No, you are fine
avoid
only.
touching any surface in the cabin. Please place your hand luggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin located right above your seat. If you are seated in emergency exit rows, please place your hand luggage in the overhead bins only. Thank you.
Give a hand. Hand. OMG. Finally it's home. Whew. And first things first, Lian is already busy with his toys. The house is not so dirty, but the smell of dust is there. It's tiring. And now we have to start cleaning at least some of the rooms where we'll go. The kitchen and the bedrooms, I think. That's it. It's really tiring. We had to wait. We were at the testing center for 3 hours. 4 hours actually. Right? But our test turned out to be negative and we are home now.
See, all the house, we need to clean all this one, guys. And we are very tired. See, we show it. That's our stamp. Stamp.
So let's start cleaning then.
Okay, bye-bye,
Bye, see you
guys.
guys.
See you.
2 hours later.
That's a little one. All the toys now is on the floor. We just finished cleaning.
You won't believe how tired we are. Finally we can rest and eat dinner. Traveling at this time is not convenient at
Yes. Please,
Especially-
don't travel.
all. So that's it, our journey. I mean, we could not make a lot of footage in the airport or while traveling because there were a lot of restrictions. Plus we had Lian and a lot of bags. So it was not easy actually. Thanks for watching guys. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your support. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button below and the notification bell if you don't want to miss out on the next upload. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your support. Till next time.
Bye. Let's take